Bafethu, we all have questions. Bafana ihambe yadlala neJamaica. Ingakhi score? I-1-0, i-1-1 ngoba abanye bathi bona i-1-0 abanye bathi i-1-1. That's why sihlala sibuza ukuthi kanti ama-journalist wase-South Africa akuphi? Asikho se-Mexico thina sisekasi, siseSoweto, sibonisa umhlaba wonke ukuthi eSouth Africa kwenzakalani nokuthi kuphilwa kanjani. Mfana, ngiphethe injami igame. Nkuli, khamba.
Angimnandi Brian, si live eSoweto bafethu njengoba nibona qoqa inyama ngapha kunophuthu nesopho everything. Bafana ilapha eMexico yazipreparela for iWorld Cup. Bathi bafana masibheka bafethu ayelabantu abekho serious Brian.
Bathi Jamaica.
Udraw neJamaica phela aboJamani labantu laba mfethu. Asibazi ngephola. Sibazi nje ukuthi aboJamani. Bathi ke so babona maybe ba save i-energy yabo for ama matches serious. Le Mexico bafana unpredictable. You will never know ukuthi izodlala kanjani. So bona ukuthi ubani ozokwazi kusithwala. But so far this year sikawini negame eyodwa mfethu.
Mina umbuzo wami omkhulu ngiyakubona ungawini negame e1 nanani. Why bangayitelevisanga le game le bebasaba ini bebafihla ini?
Isafa ifuna ukuluza phela ngithi bafuna ukuba ne clean image. That is why baselectela ama matches lawa abawaselectile. The unfortunate part ukuthi abawinanga negame eyodwa this year. Bagcina ukuwina 2025 labantu laba cabanga.
And lesa sikhathi bawina bebadlala neZimbabwe. So the last time bafana played against a big country bebadlala neCameroon. Yabashaya 2-1. Prior to that badlala neEgypt. Yabashaya nabo futhi le Egypt le. Kulo nyaka lona mabangena badlala nePanama, badraw nayo yabashaya, bahlula iNicaragua, bahlula iJamaica noma sebafaka ama player 12. Mfana, let's be honest. No hate, no criticism, no zonda abantu. Is bafana really ready for the World Cup?
I don't think bafana ready. But into esingayi appreciate ukuthi sizamile ukuqualify ngithi bafethu. Imnandi inyama enhloko ngicabanga ukuthi abafana mele babashayile inyama enhloko lapha eMexico bazoba strong.
Mabo la beMexico babosha ngama Porte Cartor. Lezi zinto lezi zibaba bodlala.
Abo Chito.
Babasha ngabo Mochachos lapha. Asikho isikhathi ezinto zibaba.
But esibafana bafethu njengoba ngisho ukuthi amagame amakhulu bafana unpredictable. It's going to be interesting ukubukela ibafana idlala eMexico. Umhlaba wonke yobubukele bafethu. Over 1 billion abantu abazoba babukela ibafana we are behind you bafethu. Sithemba ukuthi ni strong lapha eMexico. Ukubani ozosithwala. First uzokwazi ukufirst. Ronan Williams omeka sure ukuthi uzominimize ama mistake wakho. Udefense ethi izoba strong. Kuzoba interesting kakhulu.
And according to our statistician the game ebafana neMexico is going to have the most views World Cup. The only game ezoyihlula le game le ifinal. Yabona? So umbuzo wami uyi1. Amajita wethu bajwayela ukudlala phambi kwecrowd enkulu kangaka because mawubheka isquad kahle abantu abajwayela ukudlala phambi kwecrowd enkulu week in week out abo Mfukeng, abo Ozuna Police, Line Foster naye lapha eEgypt uhlala lapha eEngland uhlala kugcwele. Laba abanyona umbuzo wami Imo Okon bazoyenzana phambi kwecrowd engaka. Osamkelo Gabini bajwayela ukudlala phambi kwecrowd.
Sifake Spice nomitswayi nemdu.
Ngicabanga ukuthi sifake iSpice.
Yazama ukufaka iSpice Brian. Sidla inyama.
Mara inyama enhloko sakwazi ukutshela esayidini moseshiba.
Iyasicombolo.
Yeah, siyashiba.
Yeah. Siyasheba.
Siyashiba.
Into eyodwa.
Ngizama ukukhama nalabo abasibhekelele eMexico.
Ngiyabonga ngiyakuzwa Brian. But yeah, si life eSoweto. Ungayazi inyama enhloko mina bafethu anginazi. Nidle ama restaurant. Ingakho le intombi zeni zindlisa bafethu. Kumele nidle la yabo. Lento abakufaka yona lapho wena ukuthi ube uspenda number 600 njengo Aaron ema restaurant iza la ne50 rand back ukuthi uthola ukudla ongakanani. Bafana bafethu
uzojwayele lezi.
Uyabuzijwayele mfethu.
Angibona ukuthi that's why I'm a winner, I'm a champion. Izinto ezidliwa umbokazi. Uyabona umbokazi uqine kanjani? Nakho ukudla kakudla umbokazi. Lento le abantu abalekubodlana nama McDonald's laba bese mina bafika 1-1 epaleni bayamisa. Hayi. uLyle Foster celebrated igoal le Jamaica. Uyambona ukuthi lo mjida lona leading to le game lena ye Mexico. I-confidence kaLyle Foster ilo. What does the goal that he scored against Jamaica mean for yena uLyle Foster?
I think for yena as istrike singakori le goal lelimnika iconfidence engekho ngoba ngeke imsebenzele confidence yakhe siyidinga uma match serious ama goal wakhe siwadinga kuma matches serious yabo lento yokucelebrate azabonge noNkulunkulu ku game engaveli nase TV wenzani lo mfana sifuna ukumbona uFoster ashaya ama goals straight kuma matches serious bafethu which is iWorld Cup ubani omunye ngaphandle kwaFoster uzoshayela ama goals izitu relay evidence mahopa ngorubani singathi singambheka bafethu ukuthi angashayela ama goal.
Mina umuntu engimbheke kakhulu to be honest in terms of ama goal Ozuna Police The reason ngithi ngibheke kakhulu Ozona Police umuntu ongasabi ukushoota from ngaphandle, umuntu ongasabi ukuthatha ama player, and Ozona Police ofana noTsepang Muremu direct. Once aphakamisa ibukhanda abona ipala uyakatela, and most bheka nalapha Orlando Pirates bayakubiza abelungu lapha. Bheka nalapha namagoli akawakorile lapha na Orlando Pirates Ozona Police. Uyambona ukuthi ukora amagoli la abantu abaningi basaba ukushoota khona. Bheka the beautiful goal that he scored against AmaZulu. Bayamlela uthatha umuntu uyathena makabona ipala uyaplacer uyashoota, which is into eningi ama South African players ayilekhayo. That's why la South Africa sinenkinga yokubreaka i low block, because abantu nababhekane nepala bafuna ukuthena baphase benzeni noMbokazi. Another player ngibhekile ukuthi uMbokazi angascore, and the reason ngithi ngibheke umbekezelo uMbokazi la mfana confident mfethu. La mfana loyana number 2 uMbokazi nayo umunye. Makabona ngathi lapha phambili nenza kancane uyakwazi ukulithatha from emuva adlule wonke umuntu ashaya crack ashaya ngaphakathi, and uMbokazi leading to the World Cup is going to be the most confident player ever bafana. Lo muntu ku All Star eteamini one no Lionel Messi, and he has more votes than Lionel Messi. Umbekezelo Mbokazi is the star bafana.
Ngeke ngasho few months back ngithe umbekezelo Mbokazi uyiface of bafana abantu bathi uRile Mfukeng ngoba bayamthanda uRile. I'm not saying uRile Mfukeng i bad player noma ka deserve ukuthi simbekelena phezulu esiqongweni kubafana, but la sikhuluma ngomuntu umsebenzi wakhe uyakhulumela umsebenzi kaMbokazi. Akakhulumi akekho brand friendly ukuthi abantu bayamthanda ama brands no, umsebenzi wakhe ground siyamazi. Yazi ngikhumbuza abantu, ngikhumbuza uSiyabonga Sangweni. Ngamkhumbula phambili bafana ihlule ukora beka i-defend ifethi na Orlando Pirates, but bayakwazi ukwashaya namagoli. NoMbokazi unaleyo nkani leyo, unaleyo bravado person yokuya phambili ukusedela something, yabo. I-striker masingakori ngoba siyazi sine i-striker ezingakwazi ukushaya amagoli. UMbokazi uyakwazi ukuthatha i-responsibility phambili ashaye, yabo. Inkabi football leya, and ngicabanga ukuthi bonke kumele ba-adapt i-style ba-adopt i-style sakaMbokazi. Babe naleyo nto leyo maninkani, yabo. Manje kuba soft ngeke usebenzele ku World Stage. Abantu abaningi bazobe babukele. There's a lot at stake bafethu ku World Cup, yabo. Dlalela into enkulu kakhulu bafethu la. Represent ama generations of footballers azoba khona, azokhumbula ama iconic moments. So bafana they have to try by any means necessary bafethu ukuthi at least bathole i-draw le game le. Lapho kumhlaba uzosibona ukuthi si serious.
Before sivala kunento eyenzakalayo la in South African football khona manje wesibona ucoach Orlando Pirates abane altercation ne player uTito Maswanganye. Ivela at the right time lento le bafana ngicela ukuqualify le World Cup. Kunama player ku World Cup ekwa teammate wakaTito Maswanganye. I would like to warn those players to never disrespect coach bafana. If Hugo Bruce uthi dlala so ngena udlale ngalendlela Hugo Bruce uthi athi dlale ngayo. Wazi kangcono uke wayidlala iWorld Cup khona eMexico. He understands playing in those conditions. So if ama player bafana bazofila ngathi bona bakhulukhulu coach, ila bafana will struggle. So asidingi le behavior lesibonile between uTito no coach wakhe at national level. If ucoach akuthethisa as a player mamela lento ukuthi ama player bafuna ukugcoba coach back bafuna ukukhuluma izinto nabo ayikho right. Angazi wena uthini
Pethu iba iplayer, yabo, iba iplayer ungafuni ukuzenza uRambo. If bo uRambo ngabe uya ku wrestling or uya ku boxing, yabo, focusa ekudlaleni ibhola. Lento yakho lo ukuthi uzothatha i-style sakho sasestradini usibeke teamini. Orlando Pirates team professional, ibafana team professional. That is why amanye ama player bangawaselectanga ubafana namhlanje just because of i-behavior kuphela. Ungathola ukuthi naye noTito bathola internal report ukuthi iyahlupha le ndoda le, yabo, nganikosela i-problem. Lo muntu lo angaphikisana nawo Hugo Bros and uyikhehle lina 70. Imagine uTito uzokuphusha ngomunye oveluwe, yabo. So i-behavior important kuma players wethu, even nalama youngsters azayo kumele akwazi ukubheka oTito asho ukuthi man okay uyu umuntu lo nginspireyo engakwazi ukumbheka ngifunda izinto eziningi.
Bafethu niyabona nani si Rocky merchandise eKapa bafana 1996 bebafake le merchandise le nkathi ba win iWorld Cup. I mean lesikhathi ba win iAfcon. Hey kambe senyaboniswa maybe universe iyakhuluma ukuthi bafana izo win iWorld Cup. Mina nonkule the reason sifake le merchandise ine lucky charm. Le merchandise bafethi kuyaphakamisa truth. Le merchandise lena ya qualify la iWorld Cup, and the Omni Order neKapa have come together to offer you our followers an opportunity for you to rock lento leno bomuhle njengathi uLerato uyirockile lapha behind the scenes, Mr L uyirockile lapha behind the scenes, uForbes ukhalele lenyama uyirockile naye behind the scenes. Angeke ayidle lenyama makangafaka ngaleskipa. Mafuna ukudla lenyama ufane nathi uenjoy iskipa sakho. All you need to do kule link esizoyifaka ku description yethu, click on the link and then kumbula la kubhalwe khona discount. All you need to do is type Kapa Omni and then you qualify to get a discount. Bafethu cabanga yazi into emangazayo, there's only 100. Are you going to be part of the 100 that's going to look cool during the World Cup? Are you going to be part of the many that are just going to look ordinary? awufuni ukuba ordinary mele ube cool. If you want to be cool, rock leskipa lesi. Nangu siswethu uLerato, the queen of South African football. Lo muntu alazi ibhola, wazi ibhola ukudlula uMama Joy. Lerato, bafana mfethu yakho World Cup. Arisana chance no ya gore re ka bua ka gore ya Maruhuke Bruce akathathelo akashiyelo tshwantse re bua ka di player tse leng gore di mole ne. Ke bo mang that are gonna help us mole go World Cup.
Okay, ndimtu.
Ake mnati ndo.
Mnati. Shapanya mahlo, akiri ba banyana ba jina mahlo. Bato bona ka nna ka
sheo. Wena ke rungwanyana o etsang history. The only woman that knows how to speak football o shape di facts straight.
Ona
no o jale na mayatho.
Wa ibo. So mtu wa tsaki na khala gore players tse tlo go thusang for me we have your Mokoena, we have your Adams, we have your Eric Chapeso Eric tell from the back for yak. Mbogazi kimphera lisibisi. Nizwe kahle. Ngiyazi ukuthi nithi ibhodelela phuko kanjani. Umbokazi no sibisi right ba phering abo from Orlando Pirates. Understand? Ke shapa Modiba ka mo ke re Motau ka from Sundowns so ba tseba ke re bona gore yabo. A re kena mo lo komareng. Ke re Adams, ke re Mokoena. Midfielder rona ke gone gore gone function re be le creativity. And then number 10 ya rona. Ke nana ntwana re kalerile mfethu. Hayi ntho yo toreng he rile game to mbimela nang. Rile wa mshapa number 10 o gone. O gone ke na di spaces wa mbona mo lo ko Pirates ke bona. A shebane le palo tsa dintho di etsala. And then the winger ke na gana gore ke tla shapa Maseko ge. Nna ke be ntho ko kontle. And then ka mole a police ke batla beteng mara striker ge ke mo rena le problem ke re ke bone first ko ri but ke nana re fe Rina se chance. Ona gana nka stadi 11 se sa
ke phigisa fela for first game ne ke go phigisa ka Rile and ke tla jwetsa why Rile ke player, he's a very good player but we know una lo etsang ka di high game a go tletse batho una lo tshaba so na fona a kene Thembazwane get the job done for Rile a bontshe Rile gore ntwana mas under pressure sidlala so mas chukile sidlala so then Rile come in as a sub and then second and third game o thoma ka Rile. So what you are doing pila gore Thembazwane wetsa handover to yena gore kwena number 10 but we can't take Thembazwane ko World Cup ra semdladisa. We can't take Thembazwane ko World Cup ra mkenya as a sub because ana impact as a substitute wa bona le ko Mamelodi Sundowns ha kena second half mara ile motho tsumileng game ke mo aka go fadilwe and Thembazwane one thing about Thembazwane ba fethu unpredictable ke tseba re ba bangata ralla gore ya mara go Sundowns aka tla le zona o Thembazwane unpredictable. So Thembazwane o tla o tshwarela bola tshena ka motho sa expect and then a sharp final pass yena Foster wa teng la sa Korea. So na for nna the only player that I disagree with ko starting lineup sa gago ke Rile ke ka thoma Themba ahead of Rile then the substitutes aka ke thoma ka Renas up front and then Foster. I believe Foster will give you something when it comes on
oh, okay, but it makes sense if you say like mara nna tla batla go kala Rile for me because ke bona energy is there o kila bona Thembazwane lena montunyana la lo gananyana fela but Rile maybe he can give us something and ke mkenya based on performance ya ga go Pirates but because it's two different things ke bona ha la go squad vele go bimelo na lo bimelo but anyway re ka mba ya Thembazwane number 10 re bona go creativity re tla itola na
and also for Rile playing go Pirates and playing go the national team it's two different things. Go Orlando Pirates on a freedom and lerato le ngata from the supporters tsa gae so wa tseba gore even if a ka etsa mistake a ona motho tlo mjajang mara go national team a etsa mistake I one everyone ko social media bua ka ena wa go bola na ko ba fane dlala le Cameroon with a sharp mistake and everyone was on his case wa bona. So now for now you take Rile, he's never played at that stage. Thembazwane has competed wa dlala le Morocco a ko ra etsa dilo tse di pa na for na ke thoma Thembazwane and then Rile Mofokeng comes on as a substitute and then another player eling gore ke ka re ke ka question nyana go starting lineup sa gago ke Nkosinathi Sibisi lena he's another player o bang clumsy haholo ha dlala game e golo lena ka run una lo ba le lutsu wa dlala game e golo. Sibisi is another player re mkenya re paka pass bafana kora one se bona go te ba fitla sna chance go re lenye les two Spago Sibisi paki pass at this point because Mbogazi le Okon se bana le relationship unfortunately Mbogazi o thoma Okon o dlala Mbogazi. Those are the players for me go center back re ba dlalang and because we are not sure of whether Modiba Safodile or Raso but because Khulumani Ndamane originally kill left back bona ba mo convertile ba metsa nto center back ke ka thoma Khulumani Ndamane more is getting a lot of game time go Mamelodi Sundowns. He's learning to play more on the ball as opposed to off the ball so I feel like a ka re career le nanyana mole a tsora police ko pila ga re ka ba mna
so mtu ya re bua ka taba friendly em fethu ka ne re dlala indoors ba sa tlo go jontsha game re dlala Jamaica score se re 1-1 se seng se ra police o korile ke 1-0 so wena una kana ngwe bona ka ntho it was necessary gore game ele ba ska televise for Naki. I think it was not fair not maybe by televise re bone gore from the game re to dlala in Mexico where we understand.
Yeah.
Christopher Fing din totally re ka Lucas and Tonton. So what do you think about game ele re boning lore? Let's go sa teng we not sure go retsagalang.
I think number one, Bashebile, the type of opposition that we're playing. Is it worth going to SuperSport or SAPC and selling them rights to watch Bafana play against Mexico? I mean, against Jamaica. Other than South Africans, Kibo Mangbawang Batle Shebang. Because you look at these other countries, Mexico, Dalile Serbia. Serbia is a strong country. What Checha Badala against Bo Brazil, Badala Libo England, Libo Otto Dilozeribiao. So Libona Bachebilo, Quatswana, number one, Lake Lena Masid Dala is a Pegele Pela Ban Beseka. How much it away to their fatigue? Bafla late because of Tabatsari visa. So Ba Avoidali, Hutsusaruna, the South Africans were yo. Lamachita Nawanga Ror, Nabanga Duala Nabazans Anzan. So I think Bapege those circumstances and those conditions, Babel doesn't. It is not easy. I be practice match. Libona Machita, I think instruction from coach from Machita was take it easy, take it slow, Ningas Limazi, Ninga all out. Just Ian Lapiana Niluli now. Because I get Jima, they play amongst each other. So Nailing to Akoramana, Solomon Muntun just Nadala. It wasn't an important game.
But you
I don't even think you took it serious game, I think.
But you take it serious. You know why I'm saying that? Press conference in Awite was not happy about the performance. Asoka Ibona and treasure. So for me, it is a supposed to say, meaning Arato Mexico, not one of problem. According to press conference, I go prove based on the game and
What is support? Mpale the players say 5 to Mexico Bakang Bafana problem.
I don't even know the players.
So Bafana shouldn't worry about Mexico. Bafana should be more worried about South Korea, Libo Checha. Like we are better prepared for Mexico. We've been preparing for Mexico since 2010. Mexico. Bajile the legend Taruna 5-2 Mara. This time Bafana to Shapa Mexico 3-1.
So to Oshebila we are pilona na go last 16 quarter final.
Last 32.
Last 32.
Last 32.
So
Bafana highly underdog. They perform. Mara when everyone is expecting Bafana to do well, that's when they disappoint. Kav Kona 2023 Bafana was the underdog.
And then
Bafana no Kaufela, Lena, myself included. Bafana Dalizona, Bafana Chiving, one understand. But yeah,
I'm too Marana afraid into an acute different Uboni, Ritate to winning, another Zimbabwe, if I'm not mistaken. So it's all I think it's are we ready now? Did we prepare enough for Mexico? Unakana when I can show
na Mexico Kitabi, as I said, Kitaba Chechali South Korea. If Bafana can push to win against Mexico and then the remaining 2 games, Ratlabona Kroketa Halan, Kitaba Chechali Mexico. Nekbatlu with a producer just on camera.
I thought Zamana.
I thought Sistana Matoko.
A little bit.
He's never had Nyamayan. He's never had. Yeah, we are done. He's never had Nyamayan Togo of it too. Agaza Nyamayan. So Stella Guteza Chester. Actually, yes, Mkluzu. What do you say, Mkluzu? Mkluzu. Now Mkluzu Wako.
It's mine.
Nice and hot.
Oh, is this what comes with drinks?
It gives you performance.
Yeah.
How is it?
This is what Mbogazi grew up eating, bro.
Window,
Tatuputu.
And about 30 years ago, them to look at my girls about the Yamen talk. And I'm wondering, I is Yamen talk. Fuba strong. Are you calling to go to my father about the Yamen talk?
Welcome to South Africa. Sister, so it's about that in Yamen talk. Thank you, Cyril's breakfast is ready for you to eat.
Baba.
Abash.
Thank you.